Hey there, are you ready to supercharge your real estate business with some AI magic? Well, I'm here to introduce you to something pretty special, our ChatGPT Kickstart Program. Whether you're drafting listings, engaging with clients, or just managing your daily tasks, our program is designed to make your life a whole lot easier. And the best part, you don't have to be a tech whiz to get started. We've put together a series of 4 fun and informative videos that will walk you through everything you need to know to start using ChatGPT. From setting up your first prompts to customizing responses that match your unique brand voice, we've got you covered. And to make sure you're completely equipped, we're also going to give you a free downloadable PDF pack with over 80 high-performing prompts. They're not just any prompts, they're tailored specifically for real estate pros like you to help maximize your productivity and engagement. Imagine sending out perfectly crafted emails, social media posts, and property listings in no time. It's possible with a little help from our AI friend, and we're excited to see how you transform your day-to-day operations. So what are you waiting for? Click the link below to get your free guide and start your journey with the ChatGPT Kickstart Program. It's time to boost your business and bring real estate to the next level and charge your game. Here's to working smarter, not harder. See you on the inside.